What's up guys, it's Thursday morning. Today my plan is go see a dog. My first time buying a dog, so I'm kind of excited. Let me just change right now, head over to Corona and see what's up. Go with Jose, meet up with Jose. But other than that, let's go on with the video. Here to the adoption center. It's my first time. I'm kind of scared, nervous, excited, mixed emotions. Oh, whoa, whoa. What's up, YouTube? It's Friday, and as you can see, I just got a dog yesterday. His name is Willie, but I'm thinking of changing it. I don't know. Any suggestions? I was thinking of Chancho. Now it's like 2, 3 in the afternoon on Friday. I did work in the morning, and yesterday we did go to Buffalo Wild Wings and I didn't record, but other than that, I did get my dog and I'm happy with it. Right now, I'm gonna take him to the park. You know, I'm happy. Hopefully he's happy, but that's my plan. Out here, I'm walking, my dog, and we're gonna go up this mountain. Hopefully he doesn't get up on me. We'll see you guys up there.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire.
Boy, slow down. Córrele, córrele. Woo. Ah. Damn it. What's up, guys?
No way.
What's up, guys? Yesterday it was fun. We did a lot of things. I didn't record that much. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I got home from work at 6 in the morning. Woke up at 2, so I just barely woke up. I did get a dog for the first time. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out.